So hello guys, here we go again. I'll be cooking now İçli Köfte. This is one of the most famous and popular meal here in Turkey. So this İçli Köfte in English is stuffed meatball. So the first thing you need is of course the meat, around 1 kilo. Yes, 1 kilo, and then 1 kilo onion. You will be chopping the onion as ince as you can, or as thin, as fine as you can, because you will be mixing it together with the meat. So the first thing that I did was I put the meat on fire and continuously checking it if it is cooked already. So in 1 kilo meat, we are using 1 kilo of onion also. So 1:1. So that's how we do it. So the next step is, after cooking the meat, you will add the onion all together and then you will cook them. And then now I will be chopping the parsley. Then you will add a teaspoon of black pepper. And then of course, cumin powder. It is up to you how much cumin powder you will add. For me, I will add about 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. And also I added a red pepper powder. Then all you need to do is to mix it again, like so, and half tablespoon of salsa. This is biber salsa or pepper paste to give it a nice color. And I added salt, of course. And now for the final touch, we are adding this maydanoz or the parsley. The fire now is off after putting the maydanoz, and all we need to do is to wait for it to be cool. So this one is cooked now, and all we need to do is to wait for this one to be cool. And if this one is cold already, I will be putting it inside the refrigerator because tomorrow we will be cooking it because it's already late in the afternoon. Good morning! So today we will continue to make the İçli Köfte. I am now boiling the water, and we already prepared the köftelik bulgur and the irmik. I will be adding water, like so. You add cumin. You will get a tablespoon of biber salsa. And you will get about half tablespoon of salt. Okay, this time you will cover it with this one around 5 to 10 minutes, so the water will be absorbed by the bulgur and the irmik. So we need water, we need flour. Yes, it is rested now for 10 minutes. Okay, I will start to mix it now with my bare hand. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. They're always saying like that. So you will soften the bulgur and the irmik. Okay, as you can see, this one is a little bit hard, so I will be adding now a small cup of water. Okay. So how long we will be doing it like this to massage this dough, add this irmic and bulgur. We will do like this until this irmic and bulgur mix all together and it will look like a dough. So this one is not yet formed, so we will continue. So now I spreaded this one and then I will be adding this flour. The flour make it stick all together. So if you will boil the İçli Köfte inside the water, it will not explode or it will not spread around inside the water. The flour that I added was not enough, so I will use all of this flour. Because the flour will bind all of the ingredients here. And then of course it became hard. We will add water again. So that's the purpose of having water by your side while you are doing it. So it's like a dough now. So now I will try one piece. If I can make this one, if this one will not tear off, it means it is okay now. So you need to wet your hands a little bit. Make a round ball like this. Okay, you will make a round like this and then try if it is okay now. If this one didn't tear off, it means it is ready. So it's okay now, like this. It is good. It's not tearing off easily. Okay, I will put it here in one side and then I am now getting the meat. This is the meat that I cooked yesterday. So the secret of this one is the nice recipe or the nice flavor of this meat and then the nice dough. Okay, you will only get a part like this. You will form a circle. Of course, your hands must be a little bit wet so it will not stick in your hand like that. And start making it. You will make it as thin as possible, like that. It's like a small plate now. And then of course, you will add this meat inside this one. About this, a tablespoon. And then after that, you will close it. Like that. Like so. As you can see, you must secure it. There must be no hole and the meat must not be seen inside. It's like this. So at this time, my mother-in-law is helping me. And as you can see, she is doing it more professionally. So here it is. from 1 kilo onion and 1 kilo meat, we've made 44 pieces of içli köfte. So we have leftover hamur like here. And then, what can we do with this one? We can make an eşkili köfte, or we can make a nice soup from this one. All you need to do is make it a dice like this, like what she's doing, and then I will make it like a ball. So here it is. And from these balls, you can make a nice soup or chorba. Eşkili köfte. Hello! So this time I will be cooking this köfte. All you need to do is to boil fazla water, or this one. A lot of water. You only need to boil it. And then what I was doing is I'll be adding a lemon to soup. So this is it. Tuz. Salt siya na medyo malaki. Yan. Add ka lang ng asin, lemon, tuz. Papakuluin mo lang yung water. So the water is boiling now. Yan. Yan, boiling na. Yung water natin. Lagay na natin yung kofte sa loob. Yan. Let it uncover for around 8 minutes or until this kofte float on the water. If the kofte is floating inside the water, it means it is already cooked. So as you can see, this kofte now is floating on the water. So it means that it is ready already and ready to eat. So ito siya. So this kofte, you can serve it together with some greeneries or whatever greeneries you have in your house. So I have here this one. And then you can serve it, you can eat it together with ayran. Let's eat, everyone!
Thank you everyone for joining me again today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye!